Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul, collective haul, and I don't know when this video is going to be up, so it's probably going to be late because my computer is in despair and I've been traveling, so it will be a late video. But anyway, this is just a small little haul from Michael's Tuesday morning at Dollar Tree, and I just threw it all together. I just picked up from the Dollar Tree, of course, some more of the gold crepe 2-pack for $1. Cannot beat that. More of their infamous flowers that you've seen before. I got a couple packs of those. I picked up some of the more little tabs to decorate. Excuse me. And these to decorate as well. So the color pack and the white pack, they're both a 7-pack each. And this white pack is 30. And of course they had some more of the craft, which I showed the video on Instagram a while back, of the craft products they had out with. So they got some more of the gold flowers, gold letters, and they've had all the craft banners and stuff out too again that they've had out a while back. And then from Michael's, got some more of the tape. Picked this up for my cousin on clearance. This is a 4-pack of the tassel maker. She wanted to try something crafty because she wants to come to a crop, but she doesn't do anything. And we used to didn't crochet as kids. I did more crocheting than knitting, but my grandmother put us on lessons to learn, all of us, the girls. And so I thought yarn might be easy way for her to transition back. So this was on clearance, and it's just a 4-pack. So she went 4 different size tassels. We'll see if that helps. Or she said she wants a scrapbook too. We're gonna see. But anyway, so hopefully that'll help her. And then also I got the rest of everything is from, oh no, this also came from Michael's. This is no clearance for $9.97. It was $30. I've never seen it actually, but I thought I'd try it, and it spins just to get some of the ribbon up. And then from Tuesday morning, I got the Here and Now 6-pack for $2.99, and that number is 2139213. Not sure if that number's still working. But they've had all the accessories out to go along with it. Haven't seen the 12x12, but have seen all the other stuff, and I got most of the other stuff. And this is a chipboard to go with it for $2.99 at 2139215. So really loving that chipboard. They've had these out before, the paper lace, and this is a 30-sheet piece, and this number is 2178821, and this is $1.99. This is a 5-piece design, and so these are just 4x4s that you could overlay. They have these cutouts in them already done. I mean, you could do it with a die or with something else, but it's already done for you. And this is the Jelly Bean Sequence 4-pack for $1.29. So you got your hot pinks, your red, your mauves, you know, your different shades of pink. So 215-6199. That was the only color combo I saw. These pebble stickers, puffy stickers. Trying to make a new word, stuffy. 211-5945 for $1.99. They had several of the Jane Hatfield stamp sets. This is the only one I wanted. I like the peacock in the car and the tea kettle. So 213-7461 for $2.99. And that paper collection is homemade, and that's been out too. And then I saw these King Art, and this is the mixed media gel 6, and these are metallic. So it's a 12-pack for $6.99. So I thought I'd try those out, and that's kind of what they look like. I like the these, and these are water soluble, so you can mix them with water, or you can take a baby cloth and smear it out. So it's kind of like crayons, but a little bit more, I don't want to say applicability, if that's a word. You know, you can smooth it out easier than the crayons. It blends and stuff. But anyway, this is metallic. So this is 216-9655 for $6.99. So I thought I would try that out. And then last but not least, I got this stamp and die set, which I thought was cute. It's a Rose by Any Other Name Spellbinders, and the Spellbinders number is SDS 139, and it's by Stephanie Lowe, and the number for Tuesday morning is 215-6609. So you can stamp it and cut it out, or you can just stamp it, or you know, whatever you want to do. Anyway, And that is my small haul from TM, Dollar Tree, and Michael's. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.